I'm going to give you the top 5 meme coins that could make you filthy rich in the next 1 to 2 months. Okay? So strap in, mother effers, because I'm going to break it down for you right now. Let's get to it. All right, what's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Cameron Foose here, 20-year veteran freaking trader, turned 20K into 1.7 million in the last bull run. I just released a video showing you exactly how I did that and the exact framework and what patterns to be searching for, okay? So there's gonna be a link to that video below. But a lot of those patterns that I discussed are now forming up in meme coins, and meme coins are all the rage right now. And so I don't want to miss this opportunity. So I'm going to give you 5 of my top favorite setups in the meme coin industry right now that have very high potential. Hey guys, before we get started, I just wanted to offer you access to my exclusive Wolfpack Discord group that's now based on WAP. Basically what you're gonna get in here is something I call the Quantum Cipher Report. This allows you to steal and copy all of my trades and learn my exact trading system. Every Monday, I'm gonna give you the best crypto altcoin picks that are getting ready for explosive moves. I'm also gonna give you the best trade setups in forex, futures, and CFDs as well. You have to be a multi-asset trader if you truly want to take advantage of the entire trading environment as a whole. Not only that, you're going to get access to the Discord, all of my courses, over 30 hours of recorded educational content, in addition to my TradingView degenerate indicators. Okay, so if you want access to my WAP, there's going to be a link below. Join the Wolfpack and get all of the best trading picks in crypto, forex, and futures sent to you every Monday. On top of that, 30 hours of educational content so you can learn my entire system, all for one low monthly price. I'll see you there. First and foremost, let's take a look at 1000 Turbo or Turbo. Now, I am already long on this, way down here. So I'm already up on this position, but this thing is already at all-time highs, which means that there is no telling how high this thing can go. So after this consolidation phase, and especially if Bitcoin and Ethereum do pump to ATH, we can see what happens when this thing breaks down. This easy wham, bam, thank you, ma'am, boom, 568% gains. And it's now breaking out above ATH, of which I got in down here, and now consolidating in a bullish flag. But if this bullish flags and then Bitcoin finally does break out above ATH, of which it's very probable, then 1000 Turbo is going to go on an absolutely turbo run still. So while now it is a little bit less higher risk reward because we got in early, there is still a buying opportunity to be buying down in this zone. I think anywhere down here is going to be a high probability, high risk reward trade to be buying on the dip. Anywhere that this dips into about under $10, between 10 to about 830, I think that is a solid buying opportunity for the next leg up, of which I would say $20 would be the first easy target. Now, if this got explosive, maybe $30 target. Now, that would only happen if Bitcoin ran to about 100K, which I definitely think is possible. But Turbo is on ATH. There's no telling how high in parabolic this could go. I do have a bag already, so I do think that a dip buying is in order. And you have to understand that Bitcoin might actually have a dip into this zone, right? Every time Bitcoin has came into this supply zone, we've seen a pullback. Market structure has shifted to the bullish side, but you should be prepared. A lot of people are probably loading the fucking boat up here and won't be able to handle this pullback if that does happen. You got to understand, you need to be able to survive this pullback if it does. So don't load up everything right now. Have the lenience to be able to survive a pullback down to 63, even down to 60K on Bitcoin before it actually does make a move to the upside. Not saying that's guaranteed going to happen, but you need to be prepared to survive that if that does happen. So that's the first one. Next one, let's talk about Brett. I do like Brett, as we can see here. Brett is breaking out above a revival pattern. My plan was to buy on a retest of this zone. So I don't currently have a position in Brett, but I'm looking for one. I might be buying down here at about 10 cents. If we do get a pullback in that zone, even better if it came all the way back down into about 9 cents. That would be a beautiful dip buying opportunity down here for the next leg up into the first target, about 15, which would be about a 50% rise. But if it breaks out into ATH, you know, who knows how high it can go. It's almost ridiculous to try to even give profit targets into ATH. At that point, it's bullish until it's not. It's bullish until a trend breaks. Okay. So when you're giving like price targets above ATH, it's kind of ridiculous, right? This was bullish until it wasn't, until price structure shifted bearish. Then it's not bullish anymore. So that's really all you can do when you're looking at these. Third is people. I don't have a position on this yet, but this is setting up in a potential dip buying opportunity if this comes down into anywhere between, like, I would say 8 cents down to 7 cents. Anywhere between that zone, I think this is looking like a great looking chart setup. This is revival pattern, potential breakout, still pre-breakout. So this is still an opportunity to be had that is yet to come into fruition for it to break out. I'm personally waiting for some sort of dip, but if it all of a sudden just shreds through those highs here above about 0.927, this thing could skyrocket, easily retest ATH, and then who knows how high it can go from there. Next one that we are looking at here, guys, is none other. Just 1 second there, guys. You're probably wondering, where can you trade all these altcoins? There's this new broker called Brofin, and it's actually a little bit mind-blowing because not only do they have all the best altcoins to trade that you would see on your major exchanges, they also have a huge list of coins that aren't at the major exchanges. And it's sometimes those little nitty-gritty degenerate coins that have the biggest ROI and the biggest returns. Okay, so this is actually the platform you can go into futures or trading spot. I trade both futures and spot, but it's actually a really, really sleek platform with a shitload of actual coins to trade on here to choose from. Okay, and that's one of the biggest hurdles that a lot of people face is they don't have the coins that they want to trade. Brofin has one of the widest array of altcoins to trade in both spot and futures. Another major thing about it is that there's no KYC registration required to actually trade, deposit, and withdraw on your account. That is one of the biggest hurdles for most traders out there. And so that is where Brofin kind of stands out above the rest. Not only does it have a huge variety of coins, there's also no KYC required. So use my link below to get access to Brofin. I promise you it's going to be a really good experience. And I do really like the platform, especially since there's so many variety of altcoins to trade. What are we trying to do? We're trying to find all the best opportunities in altcoins. So definitely check out Brofin below. Then Slurf. This is already broken out of the revival pattern as of right now, but it's retesting that support zone. Now, this is typically an area that's in high demand to be rebuying for the secondary pump to the upside on Slurf. I don't have a position on this yet, but I am monitoring this for a potential position. Next targets are about 30 cents, then 45 to 50 cents on this. Now, if this really started running, this could easily come back up to about $1 per coin. Maybe retest all-time highs. Now, I do have some juicy ones that I want to talk about here. My last two that I'm already long and absolutely crushing it on. Okay, Mu. This is already breaking out. ATH, we got in long here, down here, and absolutely shredding faces, potentially going up to 10 cents here soon and even higher. This is what we call a kryptonite breakout. A kryptonite breakout is essentially a flat top breakout like this into all-time highs. And once all-time highs is broken, there's no telling how high these things can go, okay? And Mu is a newer meme coin that's now recently breaking all-time highs. And if Bitcoin shreds, this thing is going to the fucking moon, okay? So you can see here, I'm already up, 15K on Mu right now. I got in down here, as well as we got in, what is this? Down Mu, let's fucking go. Quantum Cipher Report, hey everyone. QCR is about to come out, but just long Mu in the meme coin. You can see this was the chart setup as of the alert that went out. And now Mu is absolutely shredding faces, currently up $14,000. So I love Mu. I think this is going to be super, super high potential. Why is that? One, it's a kryptonite breakout pattern. It's also a new coin. So there's a lot of new potential interest to come in. All the other coins that we've talked about so far are older coins that have, older marketing. People want new stuff, okay? So these next two coins, including Mu that I'm talking about, are the new coins, the new kids on the block that I think have the highest potential because they're new, they're novel, something new that could people be like, oh, this is the new one that we could potentially making bank off of. So the next one that I've been really bullish on is 1000 Mu. Okay, this is also a kryptonite breakout pattern. Recently broke out above this level, okay? And then it's absolutely shredding faces off right here. Mu. We are currently long, currently up about 11,000 on this position. We got in here early, right? Bought this dip all the way down here on this. You can see way back here in the Discord, guys. I said watching Mu for entries here, guys. Dipping into these zones, I will be buying for the absolute shred face above. And we can see bought in here now, Mu pumping. Now, if Mu drops back into anywhere, even all the way back down into 5 cents, I think this is going to be a big buying opportunity to be getting in down here for the secondary leg up. Okay. Same thing with Mu. I think this is a buying opportunity if we retest into this zone for secondary pushes to the upside. But these things might just keep fucking pumping and just continue to shred faces. So these are my top 2 meme coins right now. Mu, MEW, and MMMU, whatever you want to call it. Also have Turbo from all the way down here. Smaller position, but still long on this, up about 5K on this right now. So those are the top meme coins that I'm looking at right now, guys. The top 2 are Mu Mu and MEW Mu, and then the other ones that have been around a little bit longer. Again, they're not novel, they're not new, so I think there's going to be less momentum, less hype around them. But these are the top ones. Now, if you do want to join and get the Quantum Cipher report every Monday, where I give you all my top trading setups prior to them actually breaking out, I let you know ahead of time. Hey guys, I'm looking to be buying here. Just for an example, like Ondo here, I said, hey guys, price is all the way up here. We're going to buy it down here near weekly demand for the next leg up. What did Ondo do? Well, we can actually see my actual Ondo position here. All right. Ondo came back into demand, bought, and now we're back up in big profits. Currently up, what am I up on? Like $5,000 on Ondo for the potential move to the upside. Okay. So I give you plenty of time to be able to copy these trades ahead of time, saying, hey, we're going to be buying in these zones. Look for this pattern to form up, and then we'll be getting long, and then we'll be exiting at these levels as well. Okay. But it's not just crypto. If you want to be a multi-asset trader and also trade forex, right? You have to be a multi-asset trader if you want to be involved in crypto, because what happened prior? Crypto fucking sucked ass for almost like 2 years straight, where meme coins, altcoins were all straight down. Okay, so you have to be able to have alternative assets to trade when crypto is not on fire, which is definitely not all year long. But right now, we are looking like we're on fire, and these are my top 5 meme coins that I'm either long right now or looking to be buying soon. Definitely Mu, definitely MUU as well. Anyways, guys, like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.